In this video, we'll take a look at the 5 best fishing reels for 2025, designed to boost your casting distance, improve your control, and handle everything from freshwater to saltwater action. Whether you're a weekend angler or a seasoned pro, these reels deliver performance you can count on. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below, so let's jump right in. Number 5. HAUT CD Spinning Fishing Reel. The HAUT CD Spinning Fishing Reel is a high-performance reel built for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. It features a gear ratio of 5.2 to 1, delivering smooth and efficient retrieves, while its maximum drag power of 13.23 pounds gives anglers the control they need when fighting strong fish. One of its standout components is the thick metal throwing line system, which ensures strength and durability during long casting sessions. The large-capacity oblique mouth metal line cup helps reduce line friction and enhances line management for better casting distance. Durability is a key focus with this reel. It is built with reinforced nylon reel feet for added toughness and long-term use. The high-strength aluminum alloy die-cast CNC handle is both foldable and ambidextrous, making it convenient for both right and left-handed anglers. Another thoughtful feature is the large diameter force relief button, designed for smooth and consistent pressure during retrieval, reducing fatigue over longer fishing trips. The reel supports fake bait techniques and is ideal for spinning methods. Suitable for a variety of fishing environments, lakes, rivers, reservoir ponds, streams, and managed fishing fields, this preloading spinning wheel offers versatility for any angler. Whether you are targeting bass in a quiet stream or casting in open reservoir waters, the HAUT CD Spinning Fishing Reel provides the strength, comfort, and control serious anglers look for in a reliable reel. Number 4. Billings SK 1000-6000 Series. The Billings SK 1000 to 6000 series spinning fishing reel is designed for versatility, strength, and smooth performance in both freshwater and saltwater environments. With a gear ratio of either 5.0 to 1 or 4.7 to 1, depending on the model, it ensures consistent and controlled retrieval while offering a powerful maximum drag capacity of 22 pounds to handle larger catches with ease. Constructed from durable aluminum, the reel features a CNC precision machined metal rocker arm with a non-slip EV, a grip pill design, offering comfort and stability even during long fishing sessions. The interchangeable rocker arms allow for ambidextrous use, making it suitable for both right and left-handed anglers. The metal wire loop with chrome plating enhances wear resistance, allowing for smooth line release and extended durability. Inside, a brass gear rod provides strong abrasion resistance and fast wire exit without tangling, making the entire system more efficient and long-lasting. It includes a colorful alloy caster that pairs seamlessly with the reel and a flexible unloading knob for quick adjustments to drag tension, helping you react instantly when dealing with strong or fast fish. The brake design is easy to control and can be fine-tuned based on different fishing situations. With a one-key backstop switch, you can easily control the rotation direction of the reel. The Billings SK series supports spinning methods and is ideal for a wide range of fishing positions, including ocean boat fishing, rock and beach fishing, lakes, rivers, and managed fishing fields. Number 3. Sougayilang Metal Fishing Reel. The Sougayilang 9000 to 12000 series metal spinning fishing reel is built for power, durability, and precision in saltwater and long-distance casting scenarios. Designed for jigging, trolling, and surf fishing, this reel features a full metal spool, corrosion-resistant graphite body, and a gear ratio of 4.6 to 1, making it ideal for battling large, aggressive fish. With 13+1 stainless steel ball bearings, The reel offers ultra-smooth retrieval and consistent drag control. A machine-cut brass pinion gear and Japanese oiled felt drag system deliver a high level of smoothness during fights, while the instant anti-reverse unidirectional balancing system provides immediate resistance when needed. Its oversized stainless steel shaft and self-balanced rotor system ensure strength and stability under pressure. The CNC aluminum spool can handle both heavy-duty monofilament and braided lines, perfect for species like tuna, shark, mackerel, and striper bass. The reel includes a rear drag system for quick tension adjustment and a bait feeding function, allowing fish to take the bait with minimal resistance before engaging the drag. The handle is interchangeable for both right and left-handed users, with a comfortable grip and strong aluminum construction. The open rotor design supports smoother operation, while the drag washers feature waterproof sealing and extra-large resistance for heavy-duty use. With model capacities reaching up to 0.65 mm line at 200 meters. Number 2. KastKing Kestrel Spinning Reel. The KastKing Kestrel Spin Finesse System spinning reel is a high-performance reel specifically designed for finesse fishing. Weighing only 131 grams, its ultra-light build comes from a full carbon fiber frame and rotor, combined with precision-engineered aluminum components, such as a 7075 aluminum main shaft and a 2014 aluminum drive gear. This reel features a gear ratio of 6.2 to 1, delivering fast line retrieval, while the maximum drag of 4.5 kilograms is handled by smooth carbon fiber drag washers. Its 10+1 shielded stainless steel ball bearings ensure fluid operation and long-lasting performance in various fishing conditions. The patent-pending bait finesse spool is made from CNC machined 6061 aluminum and is braid-ready. It reduces line friction and improves casting distance and control, making it ideal for targeting sensitive fish in tough conditions. The sealed anodized spool offers additional protection against wear and corrosion. The reel also includes double sliding stabilizer rods for extra strength and frame rigidity during intense retrieves. Its aerodynamic asymmetric rotor design reduces resistance, resulting in a smoother, more responsive feel throughout the cast and retrieve. Paired with KastKing's finesse rods, this reel offers ultimate sensitivity, allowing anglers to detect even the slightest bite. With premium materials and competition-grade engineering, the KastKing Kestrel spinning reel is built for anglers who demand precision, speed, and sensitivity in ultralight fishing setups. Number 1. TSURINOYA Dark Wolf 50S Casting Fishing Reel. The TSURINOYA Dark Wolf 50S casting fishing reel is engineered for finesse fishing with unmatched lightweight design and precision. Weighing only 135 grams, this low-profile baitcast reel features a carbon fiber frame and side plates for superior strength without adding weight. Its shallow aluminum spool, weighing only 6.1 grams, is specifically designed for thinner diameter lines, improving casting efficiency and sensitivity. At the heart of this reel is a high-strength aluminum alloy precision main gear, delivering maximum winding power and durability. The gear ratio of 7.1 to 1 allows fast retrieval, perfect for high-speed bait presentations and rapid line pickup. The reel is equipped with a 10+1 stainless steel ball bearing system, offering smooth and corrosion-resistant performance in various fishing conditions. It includes a ceramic cone-shaped line guide that reduces line friction and extends casting distance. The 6-pin, 30-position adjustable magnetic brake system gives anglers precise control over casting, minimizing backlash and improving accuracy. Other standout features include an audible clicking star drag, a micro-tension knob, and an automatic sound system that alerts anglers during a fish strike. The carbon drag system provides a smooth and consistent 4-kilogram drag, perfect for light game fishing. The 39mm palm perfect low-profile design balances the reel's center of gravity, improving ergonomics during long sessions. There you have it, our picks for the 5 best fishing reels for 2025. From smooth retrieves to tough drag systems, each reel offers something unique for your next fishing adventure. Let us know your top choice in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gear reviews and angling tips.